Hey, Tim here, Constructors911, doing a big renovation job. Putting the inlaid copper in. Ran out of time, it's getting ready to rain, so trying to go through. But what I want you guys to do is we're going to take this board right here all the way down to that board off, and we're going to put one long continuous board to straighten up that little hump right there. We're going to do that immediately, so we're going to have to cut under those corbels, all the paint off, and then we'll pry that board off, and then we'll be able to put the crown back on straight. And then I want to put a tenon right there on the crown. You see where the crown joint is? Let's make something wide enough to go there where we can put screws in a tenon joint, and then that will keep that secure so it never cracks and comes off. Down here we're going to take off this board where we got two pieces. I really don't like it, and we're just going to put one continuous piece from the joint where it's painted at there. So we'll have to surgically cut the nails off the crown there, and then we'll be able to lift that piece of crown up to where we need it when we get ready to push this up a little bit right here. But other than that, I mean, after that, when we get the crown on, we'll be able to put the cleat up, nail it into the front face, and then solder up underneath the top just to mount the actual big ass copper pan. We're going to nail up there under that L flashing some brass screws to screw it together. This is Tim, Constructors911. We do a good job all the time on the hardest stuff. So come follow us, keep in tune. We'll always be here for you, and there's a good shot of the chase. We work there every day.